So after hitting the subject, natural childbirth, I come out and find a lot of topics that I probably would have seen otherwise. The ABC natural childbirth, assisted childbirth, childbirth in China, natural childbirth and cesarean section, um, citizenship and indigenous culture in Mexico. Um, Again, many of these childbirth education, that's something that is a hot topic. So again, I'm suggesting that you take your own topics and you work with them and change them a little bit based on the information in the library databases that you find. Let people who've done serious research on these topics assist you. Pay attention to what they say, and pay attention to how librarians have classified this information. Use the subject headings that the librarians have used, and you will certainly get more information. What's required for your proposal? Again, I want you to have at least 5 good questions. From each of those questions, you're going to come up with a search term, or even sometimes more than one search term. If your search term does not turn up what you're looking for, try another search term. For this first one, what is the most common difficulty in childbirth? I tried difficult birth. I tried childbirth difficult, difficulty in childbirth. I tried all kinds of different variations of that and got slightly different results. Again, once you have found a source that looks good and looks like something you want to see, I'll try this with difficult birth. Once you find the interested in here, and we're going to get rid of all of that. Just search. Again, once you have found the article or a book. Again, I don't expect you to read the entire book. You're looking at the information that will answer your question. But this is the Midwife's Labor and Birth Handbook. That should be a pretty good source, I would think, for quite a bit of information. And so you're going to go ahead and let's explore this source. Just an example of what I'm wanting you to do. So you've made a question, you have found a search term, and then you go down to subjects. And here are some the subjects that are used by the librarians: prenatal care, labor, obstetrics, childbirth, midwifery, handbooks and manuals. Again, Library of Congress subject headings: midwifery, talking about women who help or people who help women deliver babies who are not doctors. Childbirth, labor, obstetrics, prenatal care. Again, all of those are good searches. You click on one of these, and you might find additional sources. Dr. Schwer, you say, you told us we only needed to find 3 sources, so why are you going into all this information about library sources? Because by the end of next week, after we talk about good Google searching, I'm going to expect you to have a list of 20 good sources. You may not end up using all of those in your research, but you need to have a good list to choose from of really good sources that really pertain to what you are narrowing down on. So each time you submit an assignment, we want it to go narrower and narrower and narrower. Right now, we're at the very beginning, and everything is wide. But you're going to focus your topic more and more. Again, as I've said before, you are not going to be looking at answering all of these questions. That's not it at all. You are going to focus on perhaps one of these and make it even more specific than what you have here. But again, these are ways to narrow the topic: difficulties in childbirth. And I would urge you, you may at this point change the research topic. I need you to notify me that you want to change your topic. But if you decide you want to be specific, if you will, by all means, please change your topic and just let me know. Um, I think the more specific you can be about a given topic, the better search results you'll have, the better proposal, and the narrower your paper will be. We'll keep working on that throughout the semester. So good luck researching. My hope is that you've chosen a project that you're interested in, something that you want to choose. I am not dictating what you have to do. So you have to do the hard work of deciding what is worth your time. Basically for the rest of the semester in English 11 and 2, you're going to write several papers about this topic. So be sure to pick something really interesting. Thanks.